Okay, so tonight I finished Notes from the Underground. Uh, a far inferior performance to the hype that surrounded it. You hear Charles Bukowski talk about Notes from the Underground like it's this amazing thing. I mean, it might have been groundbreaking when it came out. I can see why, before Freudian analysis and Jung and all the groundbreaking things that happened in you know psychology, why that would have been interesting. I mean, it's I see it as a kind of exploration of the shadow side of oneself. Like if like Robert Louis Stevenson's uh, Jekyll and Hyde. Like if Hyde had his own book, it probably would have sounded a lot like Notes from the Underground. I'm glad it was as short as it was because I was getting bored with it. I just finished Brothers Karamazov, which was a far superior performance. I'm glad I read it, but I will not be reading these Dostoevsky books again. I can tell you that. They're an interesting trip, but yeah, for me, one read's good enough. I mean, sorry, dude, but just because something's a classic or labeled as a classic and famous doesn't mean that it's good. It just means it's famous. Famous does not equal good. Uh, this is my opinion. There's some nice passages in it, but and I read the Andrew McAndrew translation. Um, yeah, sorry, I just wasn't that impressed.